Okay, so let's get started in step 18.5. We'll start by saving Billings 1 as Billings 2. Okay, so select the contents in cells A2 and B2. And, well, first let me explain that in step 18.5, we will be working with changing alignment and text and wrapping text in our cells. So you should have A2 and B2 selected. And in your cells group, drop down on your Format button and select Row Height. Notice you get a dialog box. Enter 100 and press OK. So when you did that, your cells should have expanded. In your alignment group, center your text. And also select Middle Align. So when you select Middle Align, it aligns your text within the middle of your cell no matter what your row height is. And for this instance, since it's 100, we have lots of white space at the top and the bottom of our cells. The next thing we'll do is select the orientation button. It's the AB button with the arrow pointing up. Drop down on the arrow. And we have several different options, so we'll just look at the different options to see what happens with our text. The first option is angle counterclockwise. When you select that option, basically it angles your text counterclockwise. Let's drop down again and select angle clockwise and vertical text. If we actually use vertical text, we would have to expand our cell even wider or either change the font size. Let's look at rotate text up and rotate text down. So let's go back and drop down and let's toggle off of our orientation button, and your text should be centered align just like it was originally. I just wanted you to see the different options for your orientation. Click in cell C2, and in cell C2 select your wrap text button and enter % increase / under your question mark decrease and press enter. So notice that as you entered the text, the contents wrapped to fit within the size of our C cell. Select the range A2 through C2, and in the cells group, select your Format button again and change your row height to 50. And then click in cell C2 to apply the italics format. And then we're going to enter some data in cell B3 because we're setting up our spreadsheet. So $384.83, enter down. $290.44. Okay, so you should have data that you've entered up to cell B13. And we basically went through using different formats. We worked with middle align, center, orientation, wrap text, and we changed our row height to accommodate our cells, the text in our cells, and also wrap text. Go ahead and save the updates to your spreadsheet, and I will see you on step 6.